many people who are universally disliked have problems with social cues. They're unable to read other people. They can't make sense of other people's body language, other people's verbal cues, other people's expectations and implicit demands and implied terms of engagement. They have difficulties with all this. For example, people with autism spectrum disorder have this problem. Similarly, narcissists, people with narcissistic personality disorder. So these people would tend to violate personal boundaries. Generally, we find it hard to accept when other people enter our personal space. When they talk excessively, when they touch us unexpectedly, when they share private information, when they behave in ways which they know are going to aggravate us and provoke us. In all these situations, boundaries are breached. When someone crosses our limits of comfort, when someone shatters our comfort zone, early on, the brain reacts with unease or rejection. And most of the people who are universally disliked are people who tend to ignore other people's boundaries and expectations, either because they're grandiose and contemptuous, or simply autistic, unable to decipher and decode the intricacies and fineries of human contact, of social intercourse. And so these kind of people who are universally disliked often feel vaguely threatening, somehow menacing, because their behavior is not dictated normatively, is not subject to norms and mores and social expectations and so on, conventions. Their behavior seems to emanate from the inside, not is not dictated from the outside. In other words, they are not willing participants in the social dance. And so people who are disliked intensely and instantaneously feel unpredictable. Generally, we find comfort in situations where we can foresee the behaviors and choices and decisions of other people. And if we find ourselves in the company of people who display unpredictable behavior through sudden emotion dysregulation, emotional changes, or mood changes, or because they feel that they are not bound or should not be bound by any norms and mores, or this creates an atmosphere which makes people feel unsafe. And when we feel unsafe, we withdraw, we avoid, we run away, basically. And we dislike the source of unsafety. We dislike the source of frustration and perceive the whole situation as somehow threatening.